Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the April Boxycharm Premium box. So we will be doing an unboxing, then I will be trying on some of the items. I'll actually just incorporate that into the video. I already filmed those clips. And then at the end of the unboxing, I will review last month's Boxycharm Premium item. So I will leave a timestamp down below for the review, and I'll also link down below Boxycharm if you want to check them out. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 and it is a monthly box, so it's kind of like an upgraded Boxycharm. The regular Boxycharm is $25 a month. I have yet to receive my base box. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. It's just a little bit bigger than the regular box. Yeah, let's get it open. So, open it up. This is what it looks like. There's some foam. So, I didn't get like a product insert card. This is the second time that's happened. Last time that happened, they ended up sending me like a virtual insert card, but like after the fact, I still haven't gotten it. There is a card in here that talks about the makeup eraser. But that isn't one of the items, but that's in here. So here is a little sneak peek. So let's start with the items that I didn't try. So the first thing is by Levito, inspired by nature. This is Age Away Replenishing Cream. This is for dry, mature skin, firm, hydrate, and repair. So I'm not sure if I will keep this. Yeah, it kind of stinks. I don't know the prices. But this is made without any gross stuff like mineral oil, etc., etc. It lists all of the benefits and that. So it's 100% natural, or some of the items are 100% natural apparently, but this is an intensely hydrating firming cream formulated for dry, mature skin, enriched with avocado and melissa organic oils. Significantly decreases wrinkle depth and boosts hydration and firmness. Hyaluronic acid plumps skin and improves moisture retention, while summer snowflake flower and grapefruit seed extract helps smooth wrinkles. Feels really light, like there's nothing in the box. Okay, good, there is. So, it's kind of small, but I mean, that can help with, you know, hydration and fine lines and stuff like that. I wouldn't say I have mature skin, but I do have some fine lines, so not the most exciting item in the world to get, but let's move on. Gosh, I was thinking about that. I'm like, does my profile suggest I have mature skin because my age? I don't know. But next up we have something by Pharmacy. This is their Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I've heard great things about this mask. I don't think I've ever actually tried it. I mean, it is possible. I've tried definitely a lot of things by Pharmacy, but I don't know about this. It says this intensely hydrating facial mask is blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly, which is rich in amino acids to help revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream as it's massaged into skin, leaving a smooth, glowing complexion. I think like Kate the Great, like a beauty YouTuber, likes this a lot, and I've heard other YouTubers talk about it. And speaking of Kate's Great, she always like has a drink in her videos. I actually just opened a beer. It is so hot here in Florida, like 95, what is it now? Right now it says it's 90, like feels like 104 or something. I want something cold. And I have a Corona Premium today because I looked in the mirror and realized I packed on some LBs, and apparently this has less carbs, so cheers. So it comes with a little like mixing spoon or like something to scoop it out. Oh, it's magnetic, cool. I feel like I have had this like years ago, like when I was living in Chicago. So I am excited to try this out. Maybe I'll do this later tonight. Again, I wish I had product card. Where's my phone? Maybe I like miraculously got the virtual insert thing. Nope. And then the last item that I did not try in today's video, this is by Opulent Beauty, and I think these are some brushes. I am overloaded with brushes right now, like it's just not something I need, even though I love trying new ones. But we have a set of 3, it looks like face brushes. So this is what they look like. They have like this clear edge, and it says powder brush. And then we have a bullet brush. I would probably use that for like highlight or setting the under eye. And then we have their flathead brush. So this would be good for like foundation, so. Not sure if I will be keeping these for myself. Like I said, I have a large brush collection already, like really large. These feel nice and soft. I think that's cool they come in a bag too. Opulent Beauty, have I heard of them? I don't know. Oh, I can feel the sweat. I have my air blasting, but I seriously have some serious upper lip sweat going on, so excuse me for that. But let's move on to the last 3 items. So these are all 3 makeup items I was able to try in today's video. The first is a mascara. This is by Wander Beauty. This is their Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I actually already had this in my collection, so I used the one I have. I was pretty sure I already opened mine, so I didn't want to open another one. So I do like this mascara. My number 1 mascara of all time that I love so much is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. This one's kind of similar because it's also a tubing mascara, and I do think it works well, so I'm excited to see how it works because I want to run out of my Thrive mascara, like, you know, I'll have another one. I definitely prefer tubing mascaras. I have hooded eyes, and this helps them from transferring, and also it's really easy to clean at night. When you just use warm water, tubing mascara just like comes right off. It doesn't like leave that like raccoon eye underneath. So I was happy to see this in the box. I mean, I already do have it, but I do like this mascara, and I do really enjoy Wander Beauty. The next item was an item I actually chose, so we're able to customize one item in each of our Boxycharm boxes. With Boxy Luxe, sometimes you can customize multiple items, but this is by Becca, and this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Luminous Blush in Camellia. And it says this is inspired by Becca's best-selling Shimmering Skin Perfector. Pressed, this lustrous blush creates a full and radiant color in a range of delicate feminine shades. Wear it on its own or as a blush topper. So I think this is a really pretty color. There is a little mirror on the inside, and it does have some shimmer. So I already had like a pretty glowy, like what am I talking about? Glowy, like intense highlight on. I was wearing like my new Ofra highlight I received in my Ofra mystery bag. And I put this on after, so I have very like glowy pink cheeks now, but I really like it. I'm really happy with the shade I got. So I was able to choose that I wanted a Becca blush, but I wasn't able to like choose which shade, and one of the shades was like, looked like it might be too dark for me, so I'm very happy with the one I received, and I can't wait to use more, but I think it's very pretty. I'm really into the glowy blushes lately. And then the last item, I don't know how I feel about this. This is by Juice Beauty, their Phyto Pigment Liquid Lip. So here is the packaging. Yeah, so it says this vibrant plant-derived phytopigments instead of artificial dyes infused into a unique base of certified organic botanicals instead of petroleum byproducts. So honestly, to me, it seemed more like a gloss. So you'll see me trying it on. I'm checking it out right now. I feel like it really accentuated any like dry patches I had in my lips, which I didn't even realize I had. And it looks way more pigmented when I swatch it on my hand than when I put it on my lips, which I'm actually okay with. I don't think it's too bad. The color is pretty, but yeah, I don't like how it's looking at my lips. I would definitely want to exfoliate my lips next time I use this. And it's definitely not like a liquid lipstick that dries down. Like when I took a sip of my beers a few minutes ago, it transferred. And I've had it on for like over 10 minutes by now. Probably more like 15. So yeah, it definitely seems more like a gloss than a liquid lipstick. I honestly don't know how much I will use this. I'm definitely gonna try it again after I exfoliate my lips. But yeah, so that was everything. This definitely wasn't the most exciting box we received. I know some people received like the Lunar Beauty like Life's a Drag palette, which I'm pretty jealous about. But yeah, I really like the Becca blush, the mascara. I'm glad I like rediscovered in my collection. I'm not sure if I will keep it or pass this one on, because I really do like tubing mascaras. Normally I wouldn't get excited about getting a mascara, but since it is a tubing one, we will see. Skincare, we got this Levito Age Defying or Age Away cream. And I am excited to get this Pharmacy Honey Potion just because I've heard such great things. I will definitely use that mask. And yeah, the brushes, I just feel really overloaded on brushes right now, so I don't really need them, so I'll probably pass this on to someone else. But yeah, that was everything. So now let's talk about last month's Boxy Premium. So last month, the Boxy Premium was the Fenty takeover, so it was like Fenty products exclusively. So I recently did like a recap, a quarterly recap of Boxycharm, so I kind of told you guys about it already, but for those who didn't see or if you just want to know, there were 6 items in the box, and I just have 3 here in front of me, so that means I passed on half of the box. So my favorite item in the box was definitely this lipstick we received by Fenty, and this is in Mademoiselle. No, it's their Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Single. And I just love this shade. I've used it a lot. It is super pretty, long wearing, and comfortable. Love it. Definitely my favorite item out of last month's box. And then we received a Fenty gloss balm. Why can I never remember the name? A Fenty gloss balm in Diamond Milk. And I do like this. I just had to learn that you don't want to put too much on because it is a thick gloss. But it was really exciting to get this because I've been hearing people rave about the Fenty gloss bombs on YouTube for like months now, I don't know, however long they've been out. So that was really exciting to get this. And then I also have the blotting paper, which I honestly haven't used again since last month, so I really should use this. I just haven't left my house, so I haven't really cared about like blotting and fixing my makeup, but I'll, once I can, get out there in the real world, this will come in handy. There's even like a little mirror on it, so that is cute. And then the other things, we got the Moroccan Spice palette, which I did like. Nothing was wrong with that palette. I just have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and I just didn't feel like it was like super special or stood out or that I really needed it. But I do like that palette. I still have it in my possession somewhere, but I am going to be passing that one on. And then we received 2 highlights. They're both very gold. One was in Trophy Wife, and they're very pretty, but like I just know I will never wear them, so I passed those 2 highlights on. One was a matchstick that was in the shade Blonde. That was, I like that one a little bit better than the Trophy Wife, which was a pressed powder highlight. They're both gold color. Just, I think they'd be beautiful on deeper skin tones. I'm just so fair, and it's just something I know I won't get a lot of use out of, so I pass those on. But yeah, that was everything for today's video. You guys have to let me know if you guys got Boxycharm Premium. What did you get in your box? Did you get Life's a Drag, the palette? If so, I hope you love it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.